Now that we've got all the separate component parts modelled for our little potentiometer, we can bring them all together into one magnificent unit, a standard potentiometer. So the tool we're going to use to import the various parts for the potentiometer is the file icon up here. So if we access that, we're going to build everything onto the base insulator. So select base insulator. There it is. And the first thing we're going to put on is, file menu again, is the solder tag. Right there we have a solder tag. It's embedded in the thing, so we see underneath that it's embedded within the material. So what we'd like to do is just drag it out a bit so we can access this part of it here. So the first thing we'll do is to align that hole with that hole. So we drag the anchor point to the bore, then up to the bore of this one, and there you go. We've now got the thing in line, and it's a simple matter now to drag the anchor onto this face, then the up to tool and click that face, and that's the first one positioned. We're going to make two more of these. So to make it look nice, we'll select the bottom view and by holding the control key and dragging, make sure we've got that whole tag selected. Control key, drag. Now we've got to release 5.08, which is 2/10 of an inch, return. Control key and drag again, release. We see we're measuring from here upwards, and so it's 5.08 again. Home key. There we have 4 tags. Next we'll select the metal cover. Taking its time, there we are. Now this needs the bottom edge moved up to the top face of the insulator. So again we drag the hub of the anchor to that face. So up to tool, select the top face, that's that positioned. Next item is the spindle. Taking a time, there you go. First thing we notice, of course, is that it's upside down. This knurled part should be pointing the other way, so we simply drag it round. Looks like it's going to be 180 degrees, so we'll type 180, and we want that face to sit on this face down here. So we drag the anchor to that face, up to this face, and would you believe, that's it. There is the complete assembly before your very eyes. Well friends, that's the end of the potentiometer project. I hope you found it interesting and useful. There will be more to come, so stand by for more interesting design spark mechanical projects.